Hello all, welcome back in my Technical Guru channel. I am your friend Arvind Pandey and I am coming with a new video that is Tally ERP9, that how we can use the Tally software for accounts purpose. Here the videos goes. Let's enjoy you all. After watching these videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like the videos and comment. So let's start the new accounting master Tally ERP9, that how we can create an account master in Tally. That I am going to cover that chart of account. So in chart of account that we will create subgroups and groups creation, groups and subgroups creation, ledger creation and alteration and deletion, Tally company, backup and restore, balance sheet, trial balance in Tally report. So let's come to the next, that open the company which you have created in last video and now create the following groups like prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses, accrued income and pre-received income. So these four groups needs to create. So open the last company, that is Metropolis Healthcare Limited. So to create a group we have to go accounts info, and here is the option that is groups, and in groups there's two things, that single and multiple. So the default groups are available in Tally. So let's see how many groups are default in Tally. So we have to just alter the groups in multiples. Whenever we alter all item, that all groups will come, that total 28 groups are default in Tally. In primary and subcategory has defined the groups. So these types of these groups is helpful for the balance sheet and profit and loss. And we want the new group to we have to create. That is, first is prepaid expenses, prepaid expense, prepaid expenses. So prepaid expenses is a current asset, so this will goes under current asset, and we have to select enter and accept. Again, the second is outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses, this is current liability. Next is pre-received income, pre-received income, this is current liability. Accrued income, this is also current liability, and accept. So once we alter the multiple group, so the four groups has also added more. So here you all can see that accrued income, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses and pre-received income. Now the next question. So this is how we can create that groups. Next is create two ledgers in single and rest of from multiple. So the same that how we have created that the groups, and the same is that ledger option that we need to create. So here is the sum of ledger that we need to create, that the share capital, general reserve, vehicles, machinery, cash, petty cash, loan from Anil and loan from HDFC Bank, furniture, corporation bank, outstanding electricity bill, prepaid rent, investment at IDBI, drawings, computer, profit and loss. This ledger is needs to create. So go to tally. So to create a group we have to go to the accounts info, ledger, and here is the option that is single and multiple. So two ledger is needs to create in single and rest of in multiple. So two ledger that first create. So two ledger that first is share capital. Share capital. This will goes under capital account. The opening balance of capital account is 3,22,000 and accept. The second ledger is general reserve. General reserve. This will goes reserve and surplus. So here is reserve and surplus. The opening balance, reserve and surplus, the opening balance is 80,000. Accept. And rest of ledger it needs to create from multiple. So total 3 ledgers default available in tally, that first cash, profit and loss, and closing stock. So closing stock is the hidden ledger. This will not appear while we create that the ledger in tally. So this will automatically present in balance sheet. So if it's required to check, we have to go to the balance sheet and we can check that the closing stock ledger. So here is the two ledger, that cash and profit and loss has come automatically. If we want to check that the closing stock, we have to go to the balance sheet and we have to press Alt plus F1. Alt plus F1. So here you see that closing stock has come. So closing stock is a hidden ledger. We do not have to create that ledger. So now we have to create a multiple ledger. So multiple ledger. If you want to create all ledgers, so you have to select that the all item. Either you can alter for profit and loss, because you do not have to alter the profit and loss and cash to put the balance once you alter the first time. So all item, so that you have already created, so that will also come in the multiple ledger. So we have created that the general reserve and share capital. So the two ledger has come automatically. So the cash balance, what is the cash balance in my question? That cash opening balance is 16,200 and profit and loss opening balance is 25,200. 25,200. And the next ledger is vehicle. So this vehicle is fixed asset. This will goes in fixed asset. The opening balance for that is 90,500. So 90,500. The next ledger is machinery. So this is also fixed asset. The opening balance is 1,12,000. Next is cash. So we have already created that the cash opening balance. Next PT cash. So PT cash is subsidiary ledger of cash. So this will also goes in cash in hand group. PT cash. So this will goes cash in hand. The opening balance for that is 1000. Next is loan from Anil. So this is unsecured loan because we are taking a loan from individual portion. So this is not a secured. So that's why this will goes in unsecured loan. And the opening balance for that is 16,500. So 16,500. Next is loan from HDFC. So this is a secured loan because this is bank loan. So bank will always grant the secured loan. Bank is never granted the unsecured loan. So this is secured loan. So the opening balance for that is 1,15,000. So 1,15,000. Next is furniture. Furniture. So this is also fixed asset. Opening balance for that is 1,10,000. 1,10,000. Next ledger is Corporation Bank. Corporation Bank. Account number is 25,789,6452 0134 So this will goes under bank account. So the opening balance for that is 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 here. Next is outstanding electricity bill. Outstanding electricity bill. So this will goes, that is outstanding expenses. We have created that the new group, so that will goes in the same. That opening balance is 20,600. So 20,600. 20,600. Next is prepaid rent. So this will goes prepaid expenses. The opening balance for that is 3,500. Next is investment at IDBI. This will goes under investment group. Investments. So the opening balance for that is 7,800. So 7,800. Next is drawings. So drawings this will goes under capital, and the balance we can maintain in my drawing amount is 12,000. Next ledger is computer. Computer, this is also fixed asset, and the opening balance is 25,200. So 25,200. Enter and accept. And we have to check the trial balance report. So display trial balance. The trial balance is 6,18,200. So in our question, the balance is 6,18,200. So 6,18,200 balance has matched in trial balance. Now the next question. There is also the additional information that how we can change and how we can correct. So now create another ledger as provision for depreciation and provision for income tax. That opening balance is 9,500 and 16,000. So provision for depreciation and provision for income tax. So again we have to go to accounts info, ledger. We can create in single also. So provision for depreciation. Provision for depreciation. So this will goes under provision account. Provisions. So the opening balance is, that is 9,500. Next is provision for income tax. So this is also goes provisions, and the opening balance is 16,000. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question is change the ledger machinery as plant and machinery, and furniture as furniture and fixture. So we have to alter the name. So we can alter and select that the first plant and machinery. So the machinery will be plant and machinery. So this is also fixed asset. So we have to accept that. Now the next name is furniture. So furniture and fixture. So furniture and fixture, and accept. Now the next question is, now delete the ledger provision for income tax. So provision for income tax we have to alter. Gateway of tally, accounts info, ledger, alter provision for income tax, and press Alt plus D to delete. So enter, that ledger will be deleted. Now the next question. Next question is, by using multi ledger alteration, change the opening balance of plant and machinery as 1,11,000. So ledger, alter, select the all item, that plant and machinery, the balance is 1,11,000. Enter, and accept. This has also completed. Now check balance sheet and trial balance. So balance sheet from gateway of tally. In report we have to go balance sheet. So this is the balance sheet format. So you have to press Alt plus F1 to view more detail. So the detail format will come here. If you want to change the format of balance sheet, so you have to press F12, and if you want to change in vertical, then show vertical balance sheet, yes, enter, and accept. So here you see that format has changed. If you want to see the report in schedule format, then you will have to press Alt plus S over here. So this will come in schedule format report. So schedule balance sheet. Backup of your company data in desktop YesPal folder, and you will have to create a new folder in backup and take a backup of your company. So how we can take a backup of company? So we have to first create a folder. So we have to open YesPal folder, and in that we have to create a new folder with the name backup. Open the folder and copy the directory location. So Control F4. Select the location, copy this and go to the tally. So in tally, Alt plus F3. So Alt plus F3 to open company info, and here is backup. So source will be the same, only destination we have to change. So what we have copied the location, we have to paste here. So Control Alt V. So enter. So the company is Metro Policy Healthcare Limited. So end of the list, enter and accept this. So once you check the folder, so automatically the backup has came here. So this is all. Thanks.